Corvette, back slides into the outside zone one pass.
Oh my God! Holy fuck! Woo! Hell yeah, brother! Woohoo! That is insane! Oh my God! Woo! Woo! Hell yeah! Woo!
Dude, why is it always fucking messy?
Dude, yeah, Matt always has the worst freaking crashes.
Well, I see the red nickel down there. I know for Range Rover.
Fuck it, better not just all be
I mean, it's two racing drivers with that.
Yeah, dude.
That's unbelievable.
So is he instantly out?
Yes. So,
Yeah, if Dylan pushed too hard, they're going to deem him at fault and give Matt the win probably. But like they just said, if Matt's windshield's cracked, he won't pass safety to go. So even if his windshield's cracked, he won't be able to run it and it'll just go to James.
Oh, he's on top of his fucking shit. He
Yeah.
broke through the windshield.
On throttle, exactly what we wanted him to do.
Yeah,
We're going to see here in the replay.
Oh my God.
Comes through the inner clip, goes into outside zone 2. Here comes the transition. We're watching. At that point, lights off. A little tap there. Everything's still good. They're still going. And then bam, gets on top of him and mounts him like, well, he mounts him. Yeah. You know what I mean? So, all the judges unanimously put the fault on Dylan Hughes on this one. We made it a point in the driver's meeting, said, hey, when you get into outside zone 3, make sure you let off. And that's what we saw there, clear as day. That's what we were reviewing. And it was just an unfortunate
It is unique. And
I've just seen this like 4 times in my life. Here we go.
but to stay on there, and they're still laughing about it, and as we can laugh about it, but it was just perfect. The GT radials touched, and it seemed like that contact patch was fully exposed, and then Dylan's was as well, that front left, and it just climbed it and got up there. So
Yeah. SpaceX, dude. SpaceX.
Lorette, you have both the drivers there. You got Matt, you got Dylan. How crazy? I mean, this is a first.
Absolutely a first. So the first question I asked these guys, are you hurt? And they said no. I know you were.
This guy.
Yeah. What the heck happened?
Well, skinny pedal was down. I don't know. Mine too. I don't know. I came up in there and the skinny pedal was down. All of a sudden, it was like a hovercraft, and then I'm just staring at this guy, and then we're just moving, and we're still moving, and we're still moving, and I can't see anything, and we're still moving, and I'm just like, oh my God, I hope I'm not like on top of Matt. Like himself personally. The car was pretty obvious at that point, but
I think I probably did one of these when I saw the tire trying to go through the windshield, but probably not. Probably still trying to do this. I don't know.
What did you see at that point?
So from my point of view, Dylan bumped me and I probably dropped the tire, and I was still throttle down, but obviously going a lot slower because one tire is in the dirt, and I hear him throttle down. Then he's pushing me, and then we're probably glued like this, and I think he just climbed the front. Must have been it. Yeah.
I think I just climbed the back of the tire. Same thing like James and Rome, like in wherever the heck this year, New Jersey. But yeah.
Are you processing right now what just happened?
I mean, I'm good. I feel bad. My rig's parked on top of Matt's. That's not what I had in mind.
And we have to find your phone.
And we have to find my phone. My phone was ejected somewhere. We'll figure that out later. It's all good.
All right. Well,
what's going on? Who's at fault? Can you guys?
I think the judges.
Okay. All right.
Dylan's at fault.
Right.
Dylan's at fault.
Okay.
Thank you, Jared. Well, we're going to sort this out. I'm so relieved you guys are okay. Having a good giggle about it.
We'll be right back.
Fans, we love you.
And so let's see if we see Dylan's phone fly out the window when he goes in. Hey, you can't park there, man. You can't park there, man. Oh, I think so. I guess so. Well, all joking aside, I'm glad they're okay, and we'll come back.
Yeah, like just popped up. Front wheel on front wheel.
Wow.
Front wheel on front wheel, it just fucking shot.
Gotta explain everything that happened.
No. Dickhead.
Zen sponsor Braxton. You don't need to take it. Just take the sponsor.
This car's turned up to 11. The entries are amazing. There's zero decel. Your decel was not expected. It's good. It's online. This car has a really short left. This online. So where you're going to stand stop. So it's going to be going around.
Slams.
Not only do I have to try to do the same thing that I was doing,
Yeah!
definitely adapted to that mistake from that field out front. Sounds like Kirk and Field got into each other a little bit on the bike, bounced around. Field ended up breaking the back wheel, so we got tires and we just jumped into real quick and just came down straight.
Wasn't it fucking Turk and Matt that crashed
Possibly. I know Chelsea and Matt crashed.
Oh no,
No, I think it's Chelsea. Dude, wild. Fucking wild. Oh yeah.
I knew that my car wasn't necessarily the strongest car on the bank, so I had to figure out how to make it up elsewhere. Not once, not twice, but 3 times, maybe. Right there, and he made it happen. I felt like I had to commit 10 tenths on entry, I had to commit 10 tenths on every transition. Whenever you're blind, you keep your speed over the floor, and you hope for the best, and you hope to knock it on the other side, and let's just down the road. One more every time short. That's it. We should just get the big car at the end of the year.
Damn, yeah, his glass is broken. For surely. Yeah.
coaches and our staff.